Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so the Super Bowl is upon us in a couple of days. Right, babe?
I'm excited.
Today we are going to be trying something new that just came to the market not too long ago. Are you guys ready? If you love Cholula Caliente wing sauce. I love Cholula. Love it.
Like, make me put it on your breakfast burritos 5 days a week.
Cholula is one of my favorite regular hot sauces, and they have a bunch of different flavors of Cholula. So when I saw this, apparently you can get this at Walmart for about $7, but you can't find it because it's so popular. So we went to Amazon and we found it for $12. So today,
it's a pricey hot sauce.
Babe is going to be showing you how to use some baking powder and some flour. We're going to be outside on the world's smallest patio using the best charcoal on earth, Jealous Devil charcoal. But today, we're going to be using splits of apple wood on our Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. And then we're going to warm this up with some butter. Babe's going to toss the wings. Yep. And we're going to try this new wing sauce out.
With blue cheese.
With ranch, because blue cheese is gross.
I love blue cheese.
Cholula wing sauce.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. All right, babe. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
And here we go.
Here are the ingredients you need for the Cholula wing sauce wings. We need Cholula wing sauce, baking powder, ground black pepper, a bowl to mix it in, flour, salt, and we're using 2.6 pounds of party wings.
There you go, babe. Whole Foods party wings.
Yep.
All right, those pretty simple ingredients. All right, babe, let's talk about how to get them crispy.
Okay, so we are using 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And obviously you're going to need to adjust if you're using way more wings. 2 tablespoons of flour, so that's equal parts of baking powder and white flour. Or, you know, if you feel like you want to use almond flour, you can.
Nobody wants to use almond flour, babe. These are real party wings.
We're going to use some salt. Kind of salt to taste. I think that's about 1/2 teaspoon is good. Pepper. We're going to have a lot of spice in there from the Cholula. So just pepper it to your liking. Got to mix it up. Gonna get these into our bag. So we'll just spoon our mix in. And we shake. And we coat.
And we shake. And we coat. You having a good time?
Yeah. All right, next we're going to take our little baking sheet and we're going to have a rack here. We're going to lay our wings out. Oh, these look fantastic. Those are going to be nice and crispy.
Oh, yeah, babe. You want a crispy wing that's cooked over applewood fire and Jealous Devil charcoal.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to be using the wood because we haven't used it before, so this is an exciting time.
All right, babe, well, you are doing that. Before the final step, let me go outside and start setting up the barbecue, and then I'll come back in and we'll do the last step. So we were able to purchase, finally, a bunch of bags of different types of wood for cooking. So we got post oak, we got red oak, we got apple wood, so I'm really excited to do more live fire cooking. Now on today's cook, we're going to be using the Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. And let me tell you how I'm briefly setting this up. Of course, we're going to be using Jealous Devil charcoal. We're going to be using their lump charcoal today. We love Jealous Devil. And look into the firebox here. I made a little bed of lump charcoal and then I put 2 little apple logs next to it. And then I'm going to build that fire really, really nicely using my grill gun, which we love them. Links below for the grill gun. Grill gun, super fun toy. So we're gonna build the fire, and then I'm gonna add more splits, and we're gonna be doing wood cooking today. We're gonna be using that applewood flavor, and I think that it's gonna work out really, really well in our little offset smoker here. The real star of the show is gonna be this wing sauce. I cannot wait to try it. This is gonna be super, super exciting. All right, come on back. Literally just like that, about 60 seconds, our fire is already lit. So we're gonna build a nice little bed of coals. I'm gonna add a little bit more apple wood. And once our firebox gets nice and hot, then we're gonna be running our grill. Probably about 300-ish today. I haven't put the chicken wings on yet, but I wanted to show you guys something real fast. You can see that we're burning nice clean smoke from that apple wood, but one of our gauges right here is at 375. The other one is at 450, closer to the firebox. But if you use a good digital thermometer, like we are using, link below, you can see that our grate temperature is only 346. So it's always good to monitor your temperature. So we'll get our chicken wings on soon, and the applewood is rolling away. It smells fantastic.
Now I'm putting a little bit of canola oil on these, not too much. I just want to get a little drizzle on there. I think that's going to help them fry a little bit. Fry. Like kind of frying, kind of?
Kind of.
It's going to heat it up and make it nice and crispy.
All right, babe. So you're going to canola oil them, and then we'll go on outside.
First, I think you need to show the folks what our new patio looks like since you went to the wood store and bought wood. Because now I don't even know how I can possibly even water my dead plants.
Are you happy?
Mmm.
So we've been running for hours at 275. We're doing pulled pork, but that's not this video, babe.
That's not this video. This is about Cholula wing sauce.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm going to lay these out on the grill here. It doesn't matter if they're too close or not.
Why is there every time we film outside, there's like construction noise?
Well, because that's just how it is around these parts.
All right, babe. We'll see you back in about 30, 45 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, babe. It's been about 40 minutes.
These are looking yummy.
I hear some sizzle, so we're going to move them around.
Six ounces of Cholula wing sauce to 5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to melt the butter down first, and then I'll put the sauce in, and we'll mix it together and let it simmer.
Oh, babe, that smells so good. It smells like Cholula and Frank's hot sauce. I'm very excited. So it's been just over an hour of total cook time.
Oh, my eyes.
Are you good, bro?
No. I got smoking.
Smoke follows beauty?
Yeah. Okay.
So we just want to start checking a couple temps. I like in the 175 neighborhood for wings. And I think we're, so far, that's 177.
Yeah, they look good.
178. 171. So they're pretty much all right in the temperature. Food safe is anything above 165. I like wings to be a little bit more done than that, though. But
you think they're good?
what do you think, babe?
I think they look good.
I mean, they're not the prettiest wings right now, just
Not
because
yet.
it's just flour and the baking powder and stuff like that. But you're going to make them pretty.
You're going to make them gorgeous.
And you still got the Cholula wing sauce with the butter on the stove right now.
Yeah, it's simmering on the stove.
But you can hear the crispy skin. You should show the skin. It's like all the skin is really crispy.
Yeah.
So those should be really good, especially once you do a little toss.
Yeah, these are going to be fantastico.
Yeah.
All right, so I have my sauce. It's beautiful, buttery, wing saucy. Oh, my mouth is watering, even though I can't taste. Goodness. Whoa. Whoa, dog.
Yeah, don't splash on yourself.
I'm not the master at this, that's for sure. I mean, those look pretty good.
Yeah.
They're crispy and delicious.
All right, babe, let's set a couple on the board for a thumbnail, and then we'll do the taste test.
Okay.
You saw Babe sauce them up. Ranch and blue cheese. Blue cheese is gross on wings. And thank you to our top tier channel members. Everybody that hit the little join button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We really appreciate you.
Thank you so much. I'm
Yeah,
excited to give these a go.
Okay, babe.
Are you ready?
Pick your wing. Pick your player. That's blue cheese, right?
My mouth is watering, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to taste these.
Oh.
I'm so sad.
Oh, come on, yeah. Oh, Cholula, I love you.
Okay, ready?
All right,
Cheers.
babe. Should we do one? Oh, let's do one with the ranch and then without.
You mean blue cheese?
I'm in ranch.
The texture is great.
I can tell you, I have to try one more without the ranch. And then I'm going to give you my honest, oh, this is a crispy one. That is a crispy one.
Is it good?
I'm very,
Very juicy.
they're juicy. I'm very impressed with this wing sauce.
Yummy. Super juicy.
On the Cholula website, it says it's from the medium to hot, like 75%. I don't think it's hot. It's as hot as Frank's.
Yeah, I feel a little bit of heat in my mouth.
It's a cross between Cholula, butter, and Frank's. And Frank's Buffalo. I like that better than like straight Frank's wing sauce. I would prefer this over that. Because it has the classic Frank's, but then it has the Cholula, which I love. I'm really digging it. I really like it.
I really like them too. They're fantastic.
Can you taste them? No. Can you taste any heat? I'm eating them
I can taste heat, yeah.
I'm eating them raw dog. No ranch. Oh, I like them. All right.
I'm into it.
Super Bowl wings? Get that. We'll put a link below for Amazon. Again, it's a little bit more money. If you can find it at Walmart, it's like $7. Amazon was $12, but with free Prime next day delivery. So, okay.
It's a little spicy. I can feel
A little tiny, well, maybe it is spicier than Frank's. But not that bad.
No.
Not that bad.
And does it have the vinegar taste like Frank's?
No, it has a Cholula taste. It has more of a Cholula taste.
That's why you
and
like
I really like it.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
really like it.
I would buy that again, 100%. I give it the Babe seal of approval.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, we will
We're into
see
it.
you guys on the next video.
Bye.
They're good. I think they're really good.
I just like chicken wings.
I just like chicken wings.
But
Babe, you have so many leftovers now.
I know. I bet if I could taste, I would really like them.
They're really good. They're really good.
Because I really like buffalo chicken wings.
Yeah, those are really good.
I feel spice.
I back Cholula on that one.
I definitely feel spice.
Yummy.